Even though Makima may have killed Reze, some theorize that she still is alive because Makima does not kill all of her weapons that she collects, though she is a mind slave now. Yeah. Um, Chainsaw Man loves dog imagery, so the choker is not only symbolic of a leash, but it also represents her devil trigger, so at least Denji doesn't view her as a bomb devil, but his first love. As in some scenes, they show her without the choker at all, which is really adorable. She is a weapon hybrid though, and realistically, very dangerous.